Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic of discussion is how can we make a calendar with the help of simple formulas. And here you can see the calendar. You just need to put the year like 2000 and the calendar will tell you the year of 2000. And if I just put 2021, so you will get the calendar of 2021. You can also change the number of months. As you can see, you can see the changes. And if I just go back in 1990, so the calendar will be up here of 1990 with the number of month or with the month what I want. This is what we will learn today, but before that you have to just do. So here you can see the table I already made for you with the number of days. So we'll start without wasting any time, and in this you can see the tables, and in the second sheet I also made the number of year, and below number of month you have to just write here. And in first we just go here in our box and write the formula and start our first formula. Like, you have to just go in this cell and select this cell, but you can use the this bar for formula. Like, you just need to write here equals to, and then you have to just write here if bracket open. Now it says logical, so you just need to write here the week, day, bracket open. Now it says the value, so I again write another which is date, bracket open. Now it says year, so you have to go here in the second sheet and select the year, then comma, it says month, so you have to just select the month, which is our 5, and then comma, it says day, so we just need to write 1 for the day, then bracket close. But before that you have to just use the constant symbol here, so that the formula will work for everyone, otherwise it will not work. And then you have to just write here the you have to just use the comma, then 2 for the exact value, then bracket close, and here you can see equals to, and then you have to just use the column, not here you can see the two options, but you have to use the columns with s function. So you have to just use the columns, bracket open, and it says array, so you have to go here in the sheet, and array means you have to select the number which is contain the row and column. So I just select the row and column which is b7, so you just need to select the address b7 and double column and again b7, and before that you have to just make the b7 constant, so use the dollar sign and then close it with the bracket. And then you have to just write here comma and 1 for the exact value, then again comma, and you have to just again use the another function which is if bracket open is number, and in this it says number what we need, so we just select the number from which we just exit. So we just need to select the a7, because after a7 we will plus 1 for b7, so I just select a7, bracket close, comma, and again a7 plus 1, which means after that it will select then other, then comma and inverted comma if there is no value, then two brackets, and here you can see the our whole formula completed. Now press enter, so it says nothing, so you have to just need to drag the whole to the line. So here you can see the two days, and now we just put our second formula, which is very simple as compared to the first one. So you have to just write here equals to, and then we have to just write here if bracket open. Now what you need to say, you have to just write here the value h7, which means h7 is given here and we want after h7, so we just write h7 less than days. Then in day you can see I already another put date, and in this it wants year, so you just go again in the year section and then comma. Now it says months, and you select the months, but in the month you have to just write here plus, and in plus you have to just write here 1 for the increment. Now you have to just write here comma and 1 for the day, and you have to close the bracket, and again you have to just write here -1 because it will ultimately changes the value, so you just need to write here -1 bracket close, and you have to just again write here comma, and you go here and you can see the box which is B7. Sorry, our value is in H7. So what you have to do, you have to just put the H7, and you have to just again write +1 for the increment, now comma and inverted comma for if no value, then it will blank the space. Now close the bracket, and before that you need to put the constant sign, so it will give you the exact result. So I put the constant. Now I just need to press the enter, and here you can see the whole value is ready, and this is for an H7 for the increment, and here you can see the values and dates, and sheet is for inner year, month, and then we just write here -1 for the increment, and then you can see the H7, and after +1, which means H7, and then it go back to the B8 and enter, and here you can see the value. You just need to drag it, and in that you have to drag it vertically, so you just drag it and it gives you the value, but after completion the value will be correct. So now you just need to put our last and third formula. So what is our last and third formula? It is almost exact same from our second, like equals to. You just need to write a if and bracket open. Now again you just need to put here the value which is our B8 from our preceding, and you just need to put a less than sign and day, and again you just need to select bracket open, date, again comma. Now it says year, so you just need to go again for year and comma. Now month, you just go again for month, and in this month you again need to put the plus sign, and in the plus you just need to put 1 for the increment. Now comma, you just put the 1 for day, bracket close, now -1, and then you again just need to close the bracket, comma, and go back here. And for the increment, what we have to do, we have to just use the same thing, but you just need to put first a B8 plus increment, and here you can see B7, then it goes to B8 and comma, and you have to just write the inverted comma close bracket for empty, and now I just press enter. Now what you have to do, you have to just drag the box, but before that you just need to put the constant sign, so you will get the values. Like I just put the constant here in both the signs, so it will give you the exact value. Now just need to drag it so you can see the changes. Now you have to again select and drag it up till end, and you have to just select the values, and you can see the changes as I just change the values and as I just drag the values as well. So I just drag the values, and you can see the whole calendar value is ready. Now this is our three formulas consist of, in which two formulas are almost similar. The first one is somehow complicated. Now what we have to do, we have to just write here year and month, from which we just need to put the year. So you can see the year here, so you have to just link this cell. You have to go here, write equals to, and select this cell, so this cell will be linked. And here you can see, if I just write it 2021, so you can see the 2021's box. Now in month, you have to just write here, and in this I just first write here formula, which is text and bracket open. Now date, and in date you just need to go here again in the same function, which is for year, and year you just select the upper value which is already linked. Now for month, you have to go here in the sheet 2 and select this values. Now just comma and then 1 for day. You don't need to put the constant here, and then comma, and you have to just write here inverted comma, and then the format in which we want value, inverted comma close, and then you just need to close the bracket, and you just need to put your enter. You will get the values. Now just put in the center alignment. This is our month completed, and what we have to do, you have to just need to put the function here. So our last formula, what you have to do, you have to just write our equals to, and it is similar formula for the last one, which is our text. And you just write your text and bracket open. Now date, bracket open, again it says year, so you just select the year from here, comma. Now month, so you have to again go here in this month column box, and you have to just write a comma, then one for the value, and close the bracket. And then you have to just write your the format, which is our 4m's, which means month and year, and comma close. And you just need to close the bracket, and but you just need to join the year as well. So you just put the and sign, inverted comma, and plus space here for the space, inverted close, and again and in this and you need the year. So what you have to do, you have to again select the year, and year you have to just select it. So you will get the address of the year, and this is our complete, and press enter. So you can see the year here. This is our lecture, and in this you can see the changes. Now we just need to test, but before the test we want to make some changes. Like if you want to put the month, so you will get the month as well. So you just need to link the cell, and for link you just need to create another cell, because in this, if you put the value in this cell, so it will get disturbed. So you just need to first hide the cell, and here I just write your year, and upper I just write your months. So I just need to put the months, so you will get the values of the month. So here you can see I just need to write here the month, so you will get the value of May. And here you can see the value. If I just put the any other month, so you will get, but I just like I just write December, so you can see the value of December. And if I just write here January, so you can see the January. If I just change the year, so you can get the year change as well. If I just write here April, so you can see the April's value. And if I just change any other, like August, so you can see the August. And this is very simple calendar, which consists of 5 boxes, and in this boxes you just need to put the formula by using it. I already provided the Excel sheet in my page, Facebook page, and the link is also available. So you can go and download the Excel file from here, and you can test and check the formulas from this file. And if you face any confusion in our this example, you can write in our comment section. And here you can see I am already testing this example, and if you face any confusion, you can write. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe it.